What's up? What's on the go? What's on the go?
Not much, just power on the radio here, listening to some old Newfoundland music, sounding nice. Yeah, not much to be at today. I got a new cat yesterday, Esther. Real friendly tortoiseshell cat, very happy.
Oh, that's fine. You got a buddy for yourself?
Finally, right? And right affectionate too, very affectionate, very soft.
You gotta look that, nice and fluffy.
Yeah.
Right on. So how's this old beast sounding to you there, the 431?
What radio is that? I don't have a 431, I don't think.
But what I'm using here is a TRC-431.
Oh, how's it sounding? It sounded real nice. Give me a count there, will you?
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Really loud, punchy audio, very punchy audio on it. It sounded real nice, about an S10 on the meter, and doing a fine job.
Right on, yeah. You're doing marvelous to yourself there with the signal. A 9 over there around about that.
Nice, yeah. I had to reduce power down to like 5 watts, I think.
Ah, very good. Cool. So what are you at this fine day?
Not much, just getting up about a half an hour ago, just getting out of bed. Waiting for my roommate now to come back from the store. Not much to be at. Listening to a bit of tunes on YouTube, playing around with the SDR. I'm still always decoding one, right? There's not a whole lot more I found to decode yet besides mine. Mine's pretty clear. You know?
Yeah, it's pretty quiet. There's a fair bit there to listen to there on the scanner part of it there. VHF, UHF, still lots there.
Yeah. Did you come across any cool channels lately?
Somebody breaking in there, you hear that?
Yeah, coming in on me. Go ahead, Breaker. I'll give you a skip, sir. Right, you're coming in about an S7, S8 down by mine.
Who's that, Peter?
No idea. Someone said they're getting in skip here. I'm not sure. Someone local.
Oh, that breaker. Got a copy over?
You're talking to Newfoundland, Canada.
Where are you two?
Newfoundland, Canada.
Go on by. Where in town are you? Over?
What my talk to?
You're talking to Harp.
Come back?
You're talking to Harp. This is Harp. Man, he sounds pretty raspy, whoever it is. Hey, Peter.
Yeah, go ahead.
Man, how do you get his? You find his signal kind of raspy?
Yeah, a bit raspy. Could have been talking a bit close to the mic. I'm not sure. Could maybe. But he did sound local. He was giving me a strong signal. S7, S8 on the meter.
Yeah, give me the same thing there. So he's off frequency or something.
I'm not sure. That was Digger had the music on to go out and kill a broad, was it? He got a nice sound in the station. I don't think I can get him.
I can hear him, but he's got a problem hearing me. Apparently he's got lots of electrical noise out there or something. He's got his needle buried.
Oh, for sure.
I'd find that rather annoying.
Yeah, I tried to get him a few times. Couldn't even get him on the sideband.
You can hear him fine. You just you don't hear us. Go ahead, Breaker. Well, it is Digger, Peter. What do you had, Digger? I do. Signals are kind of weak there, but I got you. Go ahead. Roger. Yeah, Roger. That was a while ago, but I don't know how long ago that was. Alright on, cool. Go ahead, break. Go ahead, break.